y'all, why is it so hard finding my tribe? Like finding people not exactly like me, but similar to me that like to do things that I like to do, that like to talk about the things that I like to talk about. See, I'm one of those people, I don't feel like I got to put myself in a box to be accepted by everybody. I feel like my people will know when they meet me, and I'll know when I meet my people. But I feel as if the energy has been so heavy in the world, so heavy in the universe, that I barely want to leave my damn house unless it's a necessity and I gotta go. But finding my tribe in 2025 is my main goal, because I just want to have people that understand the way that I think, that understand the way that I move in life. Because I feel like a lot of people pretend to be good people, but in reality, they are horrible people. A lot of people pretend to be spiritual, but in reality, they don't even know what they're talking about. They're doing it for the clout. It's like finding the people that actually are tuned in and tapped in with themselves, that's honest about themselves, that's just all around kind people. Man, that is so fucking hard. It's like I find a whole bunch of frauds, but I don't find the people that's actually for me, that's like me, the people that I can actually just have conversation with, not over explaining myself about what I mean, just being myself unapologetically. Like, it is so hard. And I feel like as an adult, you have to really set yourself apart from everything and everybody to figure out who you are and what you like to do. And once you figure those things out, you don't want to go a lot of places no more. Like, I feel uncomfortable in a lot of settings because if the energy is not right upon arrival, I don't even like to stay. I don't even like to be a part of the shit show. I like to go around places. Well, I like to go around people in places that make me feel comfortable, that make me feel like my energy is not being tampered with and tugged at. You know, like if I go out and let's say if I go to a bar and people are staring at me, people are being rude, just you could just tell the energy. Like, I could tell people's energy when I walk in a room. I don't have to take long to realize if this is my environment or if this is not my environment. Like, I'll know upon arrival, because discernment is key. And just talking to people about things like that, hell, just talking to people like, oh my god, y'all, they said that they have confirmed that the aliens are coming from the ocean, and I don't look crazy, because I'm all around like anything spiritual. Like, I think about things that a lot of people don't think about, and being myself and not feeling bad for being myself because people don't understand who I am, and not watering myself down to get people's approval or to get validation from, external sources. That's what I want. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for people that are completely comfortable with themselves enough that they can go and do things and don't care if the world is watching them. They dancing like ain't nobody watching them. It's just about being oneself and coming into yourself and actually saying to yourself, like, I'm healing and I'm not healed. Like, I still make mistakes. I'm human. I'm not perfect. Every day that I wake up, I'm going to do something that probably I could have done better, but every day that I wake up, if I'm not learning, I'm not growing. Those conversations people don't want to have. I don't want to hear drama every day. I don't care about what your baby daddy did to you for the 15th time. I want to hear positivity. Now, I'm not saying that life is always positive, because it's not, but at the end of the day, see, I like to pick out the positivity of the things that's happening in my life. Even if it's bad, I always find a silver lining in whatever it is bad, because I believe that in every lesson is a blessing. You feel me? Every time I go through something, I'll learn something from what I'm going through in order for me not to keep going through that same thing over and over and over again. And when I had these conversations with people and they can actually understand what I'm saying, it makes me feel like, oh, you get it. Like, you get it. I don't have to over explain myself for you to understand where I'm coming from. And I don't want to be around people that always make it seem like I'm right. Tell me when I'm wrong so I can correct my wrongs, but don't try to belittle me. You know, where are these people at, y'all? Where are these people at? Like, I really want to know, where are these people? Because everybody that I've been around, I feel like my energy is so drained. I don't want to go around people no more. If all we doing is drinking and partying and celebrating failure every weekend, I don't want to be around you. I want to be around people that speaking life into me and life into me so I can be my best self. That's what I want to be around. But when you start telling people stuff like this, and if they not ready to really elevate their lives and elevate their mindsets, they don't want to be around you anyway. So that's what I'm going through now. Like I'm going through an upgrade in life, and I'm just trying to find the people that's for me, because there's people out there that's spiritual. There's people out there that think outside the box. There's people out there that's non-judgmental, that love me just because I'm me. You know what I'm saying? Not only am I a woman, I'm a masculine presenting lesbian woman. And the times that we living in, I want people that love me for me. You ain't got to be like me to love me. I like you don't have like to be like me for me to love you. I love everything about you because you're you, you know? So those are the people that I want to find and surround myself with, because times are strange, y'all. The energy is weird, and it ain't gonna do nothing but get even fucking weirder. So I'm gonna come on this app and talk to y'all every day until I find my tribe. Until y'all in the comments having conversations back and forth with each other, and I'm having conversations back with y'all. Like that's the type of environment that I wanna form. I wanna form an environment where it's like a safe space for people to come in and actually be themselves without, without judgment from people that don't understand. Because whether y'all know it or not, there's people that get it in life, and then there's some people that never will get it, but they'll think and they'll act like they get it, and they'll overcompensate for them not understanding how life is really working and going for them. Like I'm one of those people that life isn't happening to me, it's happening for me. No matter what life throws at me, I understand that this is a lesson that I got to learn in this season that I'm in right now. So when I take the lesson out of that, I begin to apply that into my everyday life in order for me not to keep making the same mistakes over and over again. Like I want to talk to my people that wake up and say, y'all, today I was completely drained. I couldn't do nothing. Like I ain't want to get out the bed. I ain't want to go nowhere. I ain't want to do nothing. Hell, I barely even wanted to eat today. Them is the people that I want to talk to on a daily basis. Like that's the tribe that I want to be around, because we're humans. We're humans, and we're going through like human emotions and all of this different shit in life, and we have to bond together in order for us to get to the next level in life. And when I say I want my tribe, I want people that's speaking life into me when I can't speak life into myself. I need people around me that's motivating me when I can't motivate myself. And I want to motivate people when they can't motivate themselves. I want to give people hope when they don't see no way out. That's the whole point when I say I'm finding my tribe. But if y'all like this video, please make sure if you watch it to the end, like, comment, share, have a conversation with me. Don't comment just to say I'm here. I want an actual conversation, because I need to know if I'm the only one feeling this way about finding people that's more like them. And if y'all like my videos, please, like I said, like, share, comment, all of that goodness. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace and love.